Hey, what's going on there, youth pastors? Paul Turner here from thediscipleproject.net. Listen, are you looking for a way to show or illustrate to your students what it means to overcome fear with faith? Then I think I have the perfect illustration for you, and it involves this box. Listen, before I show you this illustration, if you're brand new here to the channel, thank you so much for being here. Appreciate you being a part today. If you like videos about how to become a better youth pastor, how to stay motivated, and keep your youth ministry moving forward, then consider subscribing to this channel because I put a ton of stuff on here about games, youth ministry philosophy, and activities just like the one I'm about to show you. So let's go and get back to the box. First of all, you have a big open area here. You want to go ahead and push down all your sides, and then you want to go ahead and cut some holes right here. And on the other side, where students can put their hands inside the box. All right, now that we have our box and we have our holes big enough for our students to put their hands in, what do you put in the box? Well, you can put all kinds of things. Objects that students have no idea what they look like. They're unfamiliar. I don't even know what this is. I found it in my kitchen drawer. So you'd put that in there, and kids would then put their hands in here, and they'd feel around. They'd have to guess what this is. So yes, it can be unfamiliar items, or it could be something like this. Once again, I think this is some sort of egg thing. I don't know what that is. But it's unfamiliar to students. Kids, they're going to guess. They don't know what this is. Now, it could be something unfamiliar, or it could be something, I don't know, like a bag of grits. You can also open the bag of grits, put it into a bowl, and just leave it dry. Or you could cook the grits, and it could be cold grits that they put their hands into, something messy, something yucky, and they have to guess what it is based on the texture. Now, I don't recommend anything sharp or anything like that because obviously that could injure a kid, but gross, that's okay, nothing wrong with that. And the whole point of this is that you have to reach your hands into a mysterious place. What causes fear in students is, and in most people, is the unknown. I don't know what this is. I don't know what I'm touching. I don't know what I'm reaching into. And when our mind can't conceive it, or imagine it, or prepare us, then we have to put our hands in and feel around by faith, trusting that whatever we find isn't going to hurt us. And that's a lot like what God asks us to do all the time. Live by faith, not by sight. Now, this particular illustration that I just showed you is from my series, Action Figures, Made by God, Made for Good. It is a 6-week series about taking action. And this is actually lesson number 5, overcoming your fear of taking action. Lesson 1 is absolutely free if you sign up for my newsletter. There'll be a link down below for that as well. And listen, if you're looking for more fun illustrations and lessons for your students, I'll put a playlist right over here. And listen, if you're looking for games and ideas like that, I have a whole playlist of over 100 games right here. Check them out. But that's it for today, youth pastors. Thank you so much for checking out the video today. Appreciate you being here, and I'll see you all in the next video.